Hello. So yay! I have this exciting good news. This is a particular good news all of you have been waiting for. Yes, especially those who have subscribed into Lagoonfront Epe. The estate that I usually say that it is the banana island of Epe. So some couple of days ago, the company announced officially that the first batch of allocation will start from 28th of April. Isn't that exciting? So we have 28th of April and 30th. So then there's a confusion in terms of they already announced 30th, and then in the body of their letter they said from 28th. So hey, whichever one they are talking about, you will get your emails as soon as they get ready. So I think the emails will start rolling in 1 week to the day. So hey, congratulations to everyone. We all been waiting for this. But note that this allocation is basically for those who had paid for their survey and deed of assignment. So if you're finished paying for your land and you're yet to pay for your survey and deed of assignment, I think this is the time to do so. So even if you're going to get your allocation on this in this April, they're going to do it in batches. So it means that you're just gearing up to get your next batch. So but pay now so that you will get to the next batch, because I'm not sure if you pay now you will be part of the people that will be allocated. Yeah, you might be, of course, but you might not get your survey and do the assignment that day. So hey, congratulations to everyone who has bought into Lagoonfront. And for those who are still on payment plan, it's okay. You know that there's hope for you. Now let me quickly touch down Queen's Garden. Queen's Garden, I know that there's been a lot of questions what's happening with it. The allocation is getting delayed, just like Beachfront. Well, they are doing everything they can. They've been apologizing to us. They say they are sorry for the unforeseen delay, and that they're doing everything they can. It will still be allocated this year. And from what they said this quarter. So hopefully we can have it this quarter. We just have to be hopeful, okay? We have to be hopeful. I just want to beg you guys to still be patient. Your land didn't go anywhere. There's no problem with the land. It's just some management doing their thing as to when to exactly allocate. And trust me, not just me, a lot of us are on their neck. I mean, well, really on their neck, just as some of you are on our neck already to get this allocation. So hey, you will get your allocation. So the other part of what I have to say in this video is that this same Landmark Cooperative Limited also announced that they just signed a partnership with a mortgage facility. So a mortgage company called Homebase just signed a partnership with Landmark Cooperative Limited. So good news, guys. You can now have first mortgage on their properties, starting from all the houses they have to sell. The Avocado in Abidjan, Paragon Terraces in Naija, Queen's Home in Mowe of Father, the Avocado, the Pearl Garden, all of the houses they have to sell in Sherry North, basically, because I miss those names of the house types. I miss them all. So all of those houses that they have to sell in Sherry North, the ones on the island. Ladies and gentlemen, from now we'll be getting more information, but they have told us that we can now access mortgage up to 15 years. So it starts to it gets better. I mean, the opportunity to own your own home is just getting better and better day in, day out. So hey, congratulations to those who have been looking forward to this. And the thing also is, they said that it's for both Nigerians and Nigerians abroad. That's the exciting thing for me, because usually some of these mortgages that we have currently that is working, usually federal government mortgages, they don't really give room for people who live abroad and then people who are business owners in Nigeria. They only give room for salary earners. So it makes it kind of difficult for somebody like me to access mortgage in Nigeria. You're hearing that for the very first time. Yes, even though I live in Nigeria, I work in Nigeria, they will not allow me access mortgage, especially federal government mortgage. Why? I don't have a basic income. They don't see me as somebody that is earning, that is stable. My income is stable. Of course, yes, my income is not stable. 1 minute it can be 1,000 naira. The next minute it can be 500 naira. The next minute it can be 100 naira. So, it's all balanced. Amen. So that's what they mean. They want somebody that with a stable income, every month something is coming in. They can calculate based on what comes every month. You guys trust me, right? Exactly. So thank you for trusting me. Thank you for your patronage. Don't forget, So get your representative ready for this allocation. And for those in Queens, wait for it. Now, finally, all of their houses, these houses I talk about that they're going to be mortgaged, they also announced that price will increase on all of them come 31st of April. So from May 1st, all of the houses will be increasing. The flyers are on the screen. So please, you want to buy into any of this house, you need to start calling me now. Let me help you reserve your house unit or any of the land that is available for sale or any other one that is not owned by Landmark or Property. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name remains Goodness. Of course, you know that I am your Fab Lady Realtor for Nigeria Realty 24. Don't forget to remain safe and awesome, just the way you are. And by the way, happy Easter, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Easter to you, from all of us to you and yours. Please enjoy, relax, and have fun this Easter. All right, sir, actor, when I come your way again, remain blessed, like I said earlier, remain awesome, and most importantly, remain safe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you once again. I'll see you guys when you give me a call, but until then, I really have to go. So I say to you, oh, double.